This week we are discussing teen driving safety to ensure that young drivers stay safe on the road. So important. David Greene from our friends at Greene and Phillips Injury Attorneys is here to talk to us about teen safety driving, something you are right in the thick of right now, David.
I'm right in the middle of it. I've got a 22-year-old, an almost 20-year-old, and I've got a 14-year-old that's not too far from getting that learner's permit. Gosh, that's going to be something.
All right, so you've been through it. You're on the tail beginning of it too as well. So David, let's talk a little bit about this. How dangerous is it for teen drivers to be on the road?
It's extremely dangerous, extremely dangerous. I think you need to have a discussion with your teenager. We're doing it right now with Alex Greene, AKA Big A, we call him. And so we're discussing it with Alex of understanding what the rules of the road are, understanding that distracted driving is a major problem in our society, and just paying attention to what you're doing and your surroundings can make a huge difference as a teen driver gets out on that roadway for the first time and understands what the rules are.
All right, so things out there for parents to help their kids stay safe. It can start with a conversation. Anything else you should touch on during that?
You know, something we did, and my former district attorney, Ashley Rich, a very good friend of mine, Ashley had a contract that she had her children sign. We took her contract, changed it, and made it the Greene version, and we made our children sign an agreement that you're going to do certain things and you're not going to do certain things. And so just having an understanding with your kids that these are the rules, here are the rules of the road, number one. Number two, and right up there with it, here are the Greene rules in our family. And so basically to follow those rules and to make sure you stay safe while you're on the roadway.
And is that a conversation or something you just visit once, or is it important to retouch on that topic a few times down the road?
Well, as we all know, we have kids and they just forget. Right. So, you know, forget or intentionally forget. But I think it's a dinner conversation. It's an evening conversation around homework. It's one of those things you need to continue to reiterate and back up with just conversation, because kids make mistakes. They forget. They're busy. We're all busy. But really sitting down and continuing to talk about these safety measures can save your child's life, and we want to make sure we protect all our children.
Well, along those lines, there are two really big dangers out there. One is texting and driving, especially related to teens. Another is driving under the influence. Can you touch on that a little bit?
Absolutely. Our governor just signed into law June the 16th this hands-free rule of your cell phone. You can't be holding your cell phone anymore while you're driving. It's a great rule. The enforcement of it's going to be kind of delayed, but that's a great rule. No texting and driving. Use the buddy system. No drinking and driving. There's no reason for a teenager to drink alcohol, period. They're not of age. We choose not to drink. We don't drink in our household. Other families do, but make sure that you do not allow your teen to drink and drive, because these are horrible, horrible consequences that can occur, including killing themselves.
All right, and if any of those worst case scenarios play out or something happens and you need some help, you need some advice, how can our viewers out there contact you, David?
Very simple, 251-300-2000. Come by 51 North Florida Street here in Midtown Mobile, or 4th Avenue North, the Forbes building in Birmingham. Come in and talk to us. It won't cost you a penny to talk to us. It could cost you a lot if you don't talk to someone.
Important information. David, good to see you as always.
Nice to see you.